Mendelian randomization. Proving the gang causes the crime wave, not just hangs around during it. Let's run a natural experiment. Enrichment analysis told you the gang is involved in inflammation. But involvement isn't causation. Maybe the gang shows up at crime scenes because they're attracted to the chaos, not because they cause it. Maybe they're bystanders, not perpetrators. You need to prove the direction. Does the gang cause the crime? Or does the crime attract the gang? The gold standard would be a randomized experiment. Randomly assign the gang to some cities and not others. Then see which cities get more crime. But you can't do that. You can't randomly assign gangs to cities. Just like you can't randomly assign gene expression to patients. That's where Mendelian randomization comes in. It finds a natural experiment that already happened. The trick: genetic variants. Some people are born with a variant that naturally increases the expression of your target gene. Say, a variant that makes you produce more of a certain cytokine. This variant was assigned randomly at conception. Like a lottery ticket. It's not influenced by lifestyle, environment, or disease. That randomness is the key. The logic is like this. If the genetic variant increases cytokine levels, and people with the variant also have more disease, then the cytokine probably causes the disease. Because the variant was assigned randomly. There's no confounding. It's as if nature ran the randomized trial for you. Gene variant is the instrument. Gene expression is the exposure. Disease is the outcome. But Mendelian randomization isn't magic. It relies on 3 assumptions. 1. The variant actually affects the gene expression. That's the relevance assumption. 2. The variant doesn't affect the disease through any other path. That's the exclusion restriction. 3. The variant isn't associated with confounders. That's the independence assumption. If any of these fail, the causal claim breaks. To recap, Mendelian randomization uses genetic variants as natural randomizers. If a variant increases gene expression and also increases disease risk, that's evidence of causation, not just correlation. 3 assumptions must hold. When they do, you've proven your target causes the disease. And that's the green light for drug development. Next, you've found the causal target. But can you drug it? Druggability assessment. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.